there on YouTube. About 9, oh, where? About 9 in the morning, 9:30. About to feed all the birds. Cleaned out the water. And I'll show you something else really cool. Let's get you set up over here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No. Dancer. Shit. What? Shoot. I don't care if the ducks actually go and eat because hey, Apollo, you're not gonna eat out of the can. Come here, Apollo. Come here, sweetie. I got you. I got you. I got you. Down you go. I don't care if the ducks actually eat or not because tomorrow the rest of them are dying. But right now, the other thing that we have going on is, I'll show you, come with me. Technically, when it comes to slaughter, you're not supposed to feed the animals that you're going to slaughter, but I'm not slaughtering all of my animals. The other thing that we have going on is, oh, there's a glare, but don't it all focus, camera. There's holes in 2 of these eggs, and the other 2, oh, that one's rocking. That one was rocking just now. This one might be eventually here. I know I saw this one rocking. I think that's the one that has a small air pocket, and I need to help it. But I have to do a little bit of research on that. For now, though, I think we're done. I'm trying to decide whether or not to put the chicks in the eggs out into the chicken run to make the hens and the chickens bond. Hens and the chicks bond to a chicken, or not. And when to do that, because there's obviously these 2, but I'm kind of going, well, should I do it when the chick is mostly hatched or what? So we'll figure out. I have a feeling I'm going to have to help all of these chicks hatch. And I know that the hens are supposed to help do it. So I don't know. This is a tricky one. The hens have laid other eggs underneath the coop. So if I'm going to put chicks down there, then I need to take eggs out and put these eggs in there. But I don't know how much they're going to sit and listen for the babies peeping and chirping. So, and I know that hatching is very tiresome because they have to cut the membrane inside the egg shell, and then they have to peck a little hole like you saw into the egg, and then it takes a whole lot of, like, these guys are going to take possibly all day long to come out. I have no idea what my son has. Oh, he's got the hub. That's what he has. That's what he's making all that racket. But anyway, for now, I'll leave you guys with this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And whatever I decide to do and how to do it, I'll let you guys know and tape, record, whatever I do. Bye for now. You're supposed to stop.